Okay, here's baby chicks at 1 week and 1 day old. And here we go down into their box. And so they all run away. But then, some of them might be curious. This is a buttercup. And this is the other buttercup. This is baby. And baby is getting trampled by the other ones. And baby needs some assistance. Okay, get up, baby. Baby is being fed sometimes with a dropper because she's not doing all that well. But she's making it. And now we go over to the corner. These two white ones are buff-laced Polish. The brown ones are Egyptian Fayumis. And the ones with the stripes across their eyes, that one is a phoenix. And that little one is a red cap. Here's baby again. There's a little sultan falling asleep. And that's all for now. Except if we can zoom in. Can you zoom on this? Yes.